Today I'll be painting this beautiful pre-marked peg table from HobbyIndia. They have a number of designs that you can choose from. That's the color scheme that I'm planning to go with. I'll show you the shade number and the colors as and when I use them. To begin with, I'm taking the Turquoise Deep by Camlin, and I'll be mixing this in Titanium White, again by Camlin. I've applied this color on the edge and on the legs of the table. Once that's done, I'm taking the Permanent Yellow Deep by Camlin and I'm applying this in the design. I'm also applying the same orange on this top edge of the leg just to add some contrast. Next, I'm taking the yellow ochre from Camlin and mixing it with the cadmium yellow medium, again by Camlin, and I'm applying this on this thin edge. Next, I'm taking this chalk paint. I got this from a local stationery store. It doesn't have any shade number written on it, but it's a very pretty powder blue color. Chalk paints can be used on any surface of your choice, but they work best on wood and they give a very pretty matte finish. Once that's done, I'm taking the same chalk paint and mixing it with the Turquoise Deep that I earlier used. I'm doing this because I want to create a color which is somewhere between this powder blue and the turquoise. Lastly, I'm taking this gold by Liquitex and I'm creating an outline with it. I then glazed it with the Craft Angles liquid glaze, and that's how my table looks once complete.
Visit our website www.hobbyindia.store.